Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to link to pages in Notion. And this is quite simple. Right now I just filmed a video for how to create a calendar in Notion, and behind there I want to create a link to other pages in my Notion. So what I want to do now is do slash and then we do link and then do link to page. And then right now what we want to do is I created a nice progression bar for my YouTube earnings. So I click on that. And then right now when we are watching or doing something here in this dashboard and I click on this, he will send me to my progression bar for my YouTube earnings. So let's say we created something where we need to show you some data or give you an example with data. You can create a nice link like this. So this is exactly how you can create a page link in Notion. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for, and then from now, thanks for watching.